thanks for the shotgun.
I almost hit that.
Oh, yeah,
What?
today we're playing Animal Company.
No, we're going up.
For a second, hey, you think it's funny to kill people?
No. Oh,
Then what are you doing? I'm out of ammo.
Alright, please don't cook me.
Nah, come back here. Hey, wait. He's up there. You're just gonna get a longer sentence. Dude, I suck at aiming.
Yeah, sure. You can have. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, he died.
Boing, I
can jump so high.
Oh my god.
See, I told you I can jump so high.
Bro, my grappler.
I'll get.
No. No, leave it.
Busto back.
Do that.
Busto back. Oof. I don't know what you tried to did there, but you failed.
Leave the grapplers alone. I'll get them. Stop. I'll get the grapplers.
Here's my grappler. Yes, that one's mine. That grappler that you're holding, Blue, that one's mine.
Get rid of that backpack.
Go get it. Oh my god. No!
Bro, dude, that was hilarious.
I'm gonna stay home.
Alright, chill, don't kill me. Wait, I'll give you.
How?
Oh god!
I'm gonna do everything without me. No. If I do come, you're not even gonna go to the Y. If I do come, you're not even gonna go to the Y. No, you won't.
Yay! That's so fun! That was so fun, guys!
I should throw myself inside the game, right? No.
Grapple away. No! How'd you even hit me?
Oh, so you think it's funny to kill people, huh?
But didn't you kill me? In fact, where's my bag? So, where's my bag?
Right there. Please don't
Yeah,
kill me.
and Will's right there. And Will's right there. Yeah, fireworks show.
You missed.
Yeah, on purpose. Where's my bag?
Over there by the machine.
Wait, so I can...
Oh god.
Fireworks. Yes.
No. All right, chill. Chill.
It's something called a fireworks show.
Oh god. Please don't touch me.
I suck at aiming. I suck at
Can
aiming.
you heal inside this game?
No,
Yeah.
no, you can't.
Okay, you know what?
You gotta kill yourself
Let's
if
do
you
it.
do that. But can I have my grapple backs?
Yeah, sure. I don't even want it.
What happened to you not even wanting it? Where'd it go?
Yeah,
Okay.
no.
He he wanted me to do it. He wanted me to do it. You can't get mad at me. He wanted me to do it.
You good in here?
That's
He
very
wanted me.
painful.
He want. Hey, give me my.
I'm stealing this. You can have that. Oh yeah, there's your that.
I'm
There's
still
that.
recording.
All I need is my thirsty revolver. All I need
I'm
is my
there.
thirsty revolver.
I want to my 20 revolver. I need my 20 revolver.
Leave my shotgun alone, please.
Then give
Please,
me my
can I have
stick.
that back?
Yeah,
Can I have that back?
and I will like my
I have
grapple
that?
back.
I'll give you this if you give me that. Nah, I'm kidding.
I think my grapple went over here. Where's my grapple, oh, grapplers, where those use grappies, I need my grappies now. I need my grappies. Monies, where's my monies? Where's my monies?
Get exploded.
Nah, you think it's funny to kill people?
Oh, now he's gone.
You think it's funny to kill people?
Yeah, I know.
I'll get that
You
back.
think it's
I'm not
funny
really
to
that
kill
hungry right
people?
now.
Hey, Gab.
Drop it. You think it's funny to kill people?
Give me some.
Use.
Please let me have some as well. No,
How are you not dead?
I'm at half of health.
Hello!
Do it.
Okay. He wanted me to do it. He wanted me to do it!
Or wait, he wanted you to?
Yeah, he wanted me to kill him.
No!
He physically said, just do it already. Dude, maybe use the other thing.
I'm gonna take
I
this
set it
so
up
he
for-
cannot. I'm holding on to this for you.
Give
Here
it
you
to
go.
me.
Okay.
Drop
Here's your
it.
stuff.
Who joined?
Guys, I'll be back in a bit.
Yay!
I dare you to leave safe zone. If you don't, you die.
This is Barry, the only thing I got inside here. Look, this is the thing I got inside here. Look. What?
I know.
What are you talking?
I didn't take it. This is mine.
No, it isn't. It's mine.
Well, if it was yours, why is yours in your bag? Oh, I think when I used the thing, it launched.
No, grab mine.
Nah, I'm pretty sure this is mine.
No, that's mine.
I'm like 100% sure this is mine.
Okay, fine. I'll look around.
Wait, let me just find mine. Oh, yeah. In fact, this was yours. Yeah, you can take it.
Yeah. What's mine?
Well, how am I supposed to know it's yes?
I actually
Hey,
wasn't
buddy,
lying.
you want fights? It's made of pure
I'd rather
metal.
just kill myself.
Well, bye-bye.